Today is Sunday, February 6, 2021. We're going to go outside and check the deck and the backyard. We're supposed to be getting 30 to 50 centimeters of snow overnight. So let's see what the before and what the after might look like. This is looking down on the backyard. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. He's probably wondering what I'm doing. This is looking down the side of the house. So, we'll check back in approximately 24 hours and see what it looks like then. Enough time for an Otis close-up. It's now Monday, February 8, 24 hours later, 8 o'clock in the morning, pretty well anyways, and let's go out and see what she looks like outside. It's still blowing rather enthusiastically out here, so I'm not sure if there'll be a lot of wind noise. Otis has already been out once this morning, so he made a little trail, but I'll have to shovel it out for him. Of course, you have Otis the snow dog. Thinks he's got a feast out here. Then we have the side of the house. I haven't heard the official measurement, but at least 30 centimeters. But a lot of blowing snow too, so we have quite a lot of drifts. So there you have it. The difference 24 hours can make in Nova Scotia.